delivered the pilot for the mentor program for my master's. And I came into the program with like a lot of enthusiasm, but obviously zero knowledge of the subject. So I had to learn everything by doing through a lot of trial and error. But thankfully, with a supportive mentor right by my side. I spent about 2 years mentoring, and last summer I was offered the position of the coordinator of the program, and around the same time I got into researching about what people were saying and what people were writing about mentorship, in particular about higher education, and I was also interested in the lessons that we could learn and maybe how we could create and share best practices. So I reached out to Laura to write some articles and maybe kind of ensure some coverage about what we're doing at IE. This is one of the initiatives that we have been invited to present our work in.
Which is funny because a lot of the things that we're learning actually through the presentations, the amazing presentations that we've been to today, and through our conversations with you guys, is it was kind of like an almost backwards way of doing it, I guess, in the sense that we started off applying the human-centered design approach to actually building a program and serving some needs, and then we realized, holy shit, there's like all this world of mentoring all around, and there's these amazing conferences on, and there's so much literature around it, and there's so many best practices, there's so many European projects that are going on, so it's really exciting actually. Yeah, anyway, sorry.
And anyway, over a period of 4 months, we started researching, and these were like the main topics that were on our checklist, okay? So we wanted to explore what people are saying about the origins of mentorship, again, in higher education. What are the key mentor qualities? What are the roles that mentors are called to perform? What is the scope of mentorship? What is the scope of the mentor-mentee relationship? And also, if there are other universities in the world who are offering like similar programs or initiatives, okay? So, our research included as key resources 2 research platforms, Yale Academic OneFile and ResearchGate. We typed in the keywords University Mentoring Program, 6 books in online and printed publications, and more than 100 universities, 41 of which had active university mentor programs, okay? These are the key topics that kept coming up in our research, and these include the key mentor traits, the mentor roles, and scope of mentorship, okay? And though we did learn, yes, exactly. So I'm really sorry, but thankfully I do have a cheat sheet. So
you do.
Before we present you with our findings, if you want, we can check and see how